As well as the standard fair use policy, this video is protected under the Treaty of Peace and Friendship 1787.
Moors are awake. We are taking our place on this planet.
Islam Moors.
My nationality is Moorish.
Like, you can't execute an office if you didn't take that oath. So you continue recording. We upholding the law here. And they're going to uphold it too. You're not going to bend to their rules. Their rules is unlawful. Come on. You take that up with Homeland Security, because Homeland Security said we have the right to film anywhere in the public. We're not filming personal information.
There she go now. There she go.
Hi, you supervisor? Okay, very good. So this is notice that was already put and filed with the 18th District of Bankruptcy. This is to be given to the head clerk. This to be put on notice.
Okay. Do you have a case that this is being filed on?
Well, it's already filed in alignment with this case number. So this is just notification. We're just putting all inferior courts on notice and to the clerk.
So leave that
notice. If you're filing something, it has to go in.
That's the thing. We're not filing. We're putting on
notice.
So a notice is not a filing. It's a notice.
Now he wants to tell her that.
I'm recording. That's
It
what
doesn't
you're going to
matter.
tell her.
Record. No,
Yeah.
you're going to record. Okay. You're going to record because if they violate us, we have proof that they're doing the violation. Come on. I don't care if they. I don't care
He always
if they
right.
film
I have to
it.
let you know. If you're recording, there's signs posted. You cannot
All right, the
record.
signs is against the Constitution. Any law made against the Constitution is no law.
So apparently these Moorish sovereign citizens are in a courthouse trying to put the head clerk on notice, whatever that means. Notice of what? Now, in the mix of them putting the clerk on notice, they have now turned themselves into First Amendment auditors. These people are absolutely out of their mind. This courthouse just needs to call security or the correction officers that are there or the peace officers, whatever, and escort these idiots out of there.
Okay?
Do you understand that?
She said, well, I
You
can't
took an oath
speak.
to the Constitution, man. You should uphold
See,
it.
I know that shit was
You
going to
can't speak with
happen.
me. I'm not recording. Ma'am?
It's off. It's off. It's off. It's off.
It doesn't matter. Somebody is. So
It's off. It's off. It's off.
Miss, this is
It's off. It's off. It's off.
So you don't want us to execute our business during the day?
But guess what?
Yeah, I want her
We got
number
the
too.
recording.
Name and the phone number. She took an oath to the Constitution, just like everybody sitting here took an oath to the Constitution.
So where's the other person that's...
He got her. He ain't gonna
He's
come
right
over
there,
here.
standing right there.
He ain't gonna come. She walked away. That's the supervisor. Ain't nobody gonna come. They under her command.
Okay.
They under her
So
command.
that shows that she's a violator of the Constitution.
All right, let's
And
go
they
get her
know-
name. Let's go
look,
get her name.
get
Come
her
on.
name,
Come on, let's get her name. The public servant. Turn it off and walk away. This shit is crazy. Excuse me.
Don't go behind the
I'm not.
Excuse me. I would like to have your name and your business card as well, because I know you took an oath to the Constitution. All public officers have to take an oath to the Constitution, and any law made against the Constitution, these signs is not above the law, and you're not above the law.
I know, but I have my rights
All
as
right,
well.
you have no rights. You give those rights up when you take an oath to
That's
be a
right.
public
That's
servant.
right. You have no
You
right.
give up that immunity.
She's not gonna
Oh
do
no,
it.
you can leave the paperwork.
You could just leave it.
read it to her, please.
Acceptance by the clerk. The clerk must not receive the filed paper solely because it's not in the form prescribed by the rules or by a local rule or practice.
Right. What
FRC.
I was saying to you is it has to be in a case. If it's not in a case.
It
It is in a case.
What case?
You just
I
showed
need,
it.
I need our index number.
This is a federal constitutional bankruptcy case number.
If you don't have a case here.
It is
I
here.
have no place to file it. I have no place
You're
to
not,
file
you're
it.
This
not
Supreme-
filing
This
it.
is
It's
a
a notice. You're supposed to put it on the public record. That's
That's
your
it.
job, your duty.
These idiots have no idea what they're even trying to accomplish. They just made up some random stuff and they expect the people in this courthouse to go along with their nonsense. They just need to be escorted off the premises.
As a public servant, you have to put these things on the record and notify all lower and inferior
Right,
courts
but I
because you are
can't
notary.
record it because I have nowhere to record it.
You do have a way to record it because there's a file number here already. All you got to do is make a new file number and put it
But
under
that's
that file
the thing.
number.
So are you starting a case?
This is not starting the
Okay,
case.
this is
It's a continuation of a continuum. So, I mean, I could technically go to any case number and give you a case, and you could file it under that case number.
Well, no, it would have to comply with the statute.
FRC file D for acceptance by the clerk. The clerk does not refuse to file a paper solely because it's not in the form prescribed by these rules or by local rules.
So, reading the law.
This is
I am
law.
asking you for an index number. If you do not have an index number for me to file it, I
It has nothing to do with index number, though. It didn't say you need an index number. It didn't say you need a docket number. It said file a document. What's wrong with you? Stop it.
If it's not filed with an index number or not,
You act like
must file it.
We
Prescribed by these
If you feel like I'm not following the law, you just have to do it.
Oh yeah, you will be removed.
You're a sister. We don't want to do that to you.
He has my.
We don't want to do that to you. You our sister.
Yeah.
We don't want to put you in that situation.
But
I'm reading law to you,
though.
You're under oath. Just say you're under oath. You're under oath.
I understand you do what you have to do.
You're under oath. All right, so let's do what we have to do. Leave the documents.
Head clerk, there's no.
Leave the documents.
The head clerk.
Leave them.
The
You got
head
your
clerk.
copy. Leave the
This
documents.
is for
Let's
the
go.
head clerk, okay? They'll take it and I
Leave the documents. Let's go. Leave the documents. Y'all got the originals. Leave the documents. Notice the principal. She's a principal. Notice the kid. That's right. She's a principal.
These idiots are just regurgitating Sharon Tracy Gale Bay's and Light Tajiri Bay's nonsense. None of that even means anything. These people have no idea what you're talking about, and you don't even know what you're talking about.
That's it. I still got it on record. She all she nervous in a pair of crack dice. She nervous.
Now that I read that shit, now it's over.
It didn't say index number. It didn't say none of that. It says file the document. Get out of here with
You're
that.
not filing before you want
Notice.
So all you got is get to who's higher than you. That's it. Pass it on to who's higher than you. That's it. You ain't got to file shit. They'll know what to do with it.
I got it on record. I was still recording. I didn't turn it. Yeah.
Oh, that's my bro right there.
Thank you.
It's long.
Recording and following the Constitution.
Yeah. I just put it in my shirt pocket.
These public positions and their duties. That's the law.
Exactly. I know that.
You didn't want to do your duty, so now we got you on record not doing your job. And that's how you get them.
Yeah.
And then now when we put the lien in and put her in bankruptcy and send her to jail, it'll be because she's not executing her office. Right. And she's under oath. Public Officers Law, Section 10, New York. Look it up.
That part.
Yep.
Answer.
Yeah, we went to 2 venues today. Yeah, she was. I told you.
It's the law that
She was.
states that because it doesn't go with the norm, you read it. Because it don't go with the norm doesn't mean you don't put it in
can't put it on record.
And you telling her we're not following it. We putting it on notice. Give it to somebody higher than you. They know what to do.
That's what I said to her. I said, give it to your superior clerk.
They know what to
They're
do
gonna
with
know
it.
what to do with it. That's it.
Y'all gave her the document with the file number?
Once you give it to her and she destroys it, that's mail fraud.
But y'all ain't got a copy of that file number. You can always get it from here, though.
Yeah, we got the file number. We created it.
No, I'm talking about they file number from
their
this.
file number from there, yeah.
So you can just pull that up and copy your document off of
a copy
it.
of his document, so anytime we can pull it up and come back and
Yeah.
show them again.
Because that's the best thing. When they act like that, you leave it. They still bound.
They still bound.
They still bound.
You see how strong it is when you come in numbers?
That's right. Because you could come, you could free. We know all. We all
Right.
sharp.
But
We know
see
what
how-
to do.
You see how the energy kept them obeyed, bro?
That's right.
She was kind of heavy. She was like,
She was nervous.
that nigga, he was like, one telling us like we was done with.
All right, Islam Moors, Islam Kin folks, Islam peoples, all right? So this is what we're doing. We had left this civil venue first. I didn't go to Moorish transition. If y'all want to see the footage for the civil court action that we just did, all right, you got to go to Love Bay. Go to Love Bay on Facebook. Not Love D Bay, Love Bay, all right? That's who I am. Bamano Watu Atushinish Moors. Islam, love and peace, and grand rising.